This is how I winterize an RV using compressed air and antifreeze. The first thing is to drain the tanks, black, gray, and a freshwater tank, and then the water heater. It'll either be an anode rod or a plastic plug. Once that is drained out, I get the air compressor out. Now, if you don't have an air compressor, that's okay. You can winterize RV using just antifreeze, but winterizing using just compressed air, what can happen is a toilet valve can crack when it freezes because you can't get all the water out of it by just blowing air through it. The first thing we'll start with is a black tank flush, then move on to the city water connections. With this RV in particular, it has a remote bypass valve by your water connections and a water heater is on the other side of the RV. So we'll start blowing air through it with the water heater not in bypass mode. That way it blows a cold line out to the water heater. Then we'll put the anode rod back in, take the water heater out of bypass mode so we can blow the hot line out for the water heater back to the main system. After we finish with the water heater, we take the anode rod out for the last time and leave it there. Then move on to your showers, sinks, anything that has water inside or outside the RV, and don't forget about your washer and dryer hookups. Once we're done blowing out, we'll move on to putting antifreeze in the system. This one has a winterize valve on it, so we can put a hose on the outside of the RV, flip the valve, turn the pump on, and start sucking the antifreeze into the RV. If you don't have one of these systems, most likely there's going to be a hose and a valve by your pump somewhere inside the RV. It usually takes around a jug of antifreeze to get the system primed, then switch out to a full one, start working through all the faucets, sinks, showers, inside or outside the RV. Just make sure you hit all of your water points. Let the antifreeze run for a couple seconds until it's nice and pink, move on to the next one. Once we're done putting antifreeze into the lines, we'll close the tanks, drain the line out, and hook the sewer hose. Then go through, put antifreeze in all your drains, don't forget about the toilet, close everything up, and you're good to go for the freezing cold temperatures because your RV is properly winterized.